Hello friends, in this video I will explain about the use of model in the MVC applications. In this video we will introduce model in the MVC application, show data over page with the help of model. Let's start with this simple project and I am going to create a model in this application. For creating the model, right click on the model folder in Solution Explorer window and select add, new item, select the class and set the name of the class is product details.cs and hit the add button to add the model in your application. We keep this very simple for now. I will add some public property using code snippets. So right click over the class file and select the insert snippet. Select the Visual C# and find out the prop in this list. Here you can see that it's automatically generate properties. If we want to add quickly, we simply write a prop and hit the double tap. So it's automatically add the property in the class file. Now I will add some properties, like I will define some integer product ID. It is a primary key and string should be a product. Let's define a string is my product name. Let's copy this one. Now let's set the product price. The price should be decimal and product currency. This should be a string. Next, we will add the new controller that we can use to work with the product details model and pass it to the view. So for adding the controller, right click on the controller folder, add controller in the pop-up menu. Once you add the database in the application, it would be helpful to use MVC5 controller with view using entity framework. But now we are not using any type of database in the application, so we will use MVC5 controller with read write action method. So I have clicked it. Click over add button and now let's give the name of product controller and click add button to add the controller in the MVC application. The details action here is returned a view called details. It is displayed information about the product details. For now, we will create a in-memory dummy product, so we will remove the ID parameter here. Now for adding a view, I right click on the action and select the add view. I can add the corresponding view details if I choose the details template. I can give a product details in the model class. This will set up a display logic automatically. Let's we leave the create a partial view. We don't want to use the layout in the page. So now I hit the add button to add the view details in the application. Let's see what's going on inside this view. At the top, we have a very important item, which is the model directive. This indicates that this view is work with the model of product details type. And anywhere in the Razor code, when I use the @ in the capital model, that can be refer to product details model that is pass this view. You can see here a HTML helper method. This time is strongly typed for the ID. We passing a lambda expression to identify a specific property of the model. Display name for return HTML containing the name of the property, and display for return HTML containing value of the property. So this view expect to supply an instance of the product details. Let's go back to the controller and add some code to action to do that. Again, since we are not using any database setup, let's just create a in-memory test product. Before creating the in-memory test product, I need to add namespace first MVC app.model. So this namespace should be at the reference of the model in your controller. Now just create a product details with the specific initial value, like product ID is equal to 1, product name is Lakme Absolute Glow Addict, product price is 500 rupees, and product currency is INR. Let's pass this product details as a parameter in the view. Let's build the application. Here build succeeded. Now execute the application. Now the page will show the product details with the test dummy data. Here you can see it is showing the product ID, product name, product price with the dummy data I have set in the code here. In this video, we have learned how to add model in the MVC application and show test data over page with the help of model. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please provide your feedback, your suggestion on info@talentuner.com. Thank you.